welcome to the Mischief and the Crafty Rat. As you can see, I'm painting again. Right, so I don't like doing things the easy way. For some bizarre reason, I start something new and I don't start easy. I don't build up to gain experience, to get harder. I kind of jump deep end, and I think that's maybe what I'm doing today. So, I've been watching a lot of Cinnamon's videos from the late Cinnamon from the Art Sherpa, and wow, I love her videos. I'll make sure that I get Chris to link her YouTube. The videos are brilliant. So I've been watching a lot of her videos and saw a video and thought, ooh, I'm going to do that. So spoke to lovely Lulu, just making sure there'd be no problems with me basically copying a picture, and as long as I mention what have you and say that this is not a tutorial, then that should be fine. Right, so that was my original plan. Yeah. So then anyway, watching more and more videos, and I saw another video and I'm like, ooh, I really like that one. I'm going to do that picture as well. So yeah, great. I could be doing two completely separate paintings. Nah, not me. So this is going to be based on two of the videos. I will, if he remembers to ask me, link the specific videos below that I did use for kind of inspiration and getting started on this. I ain't going to be following the instructions properly because I can't remember them. It was a few days ago. I want to get the video done. So I have watched them a few days ago, so I'm hoping I kind of generally get a general idea of doing it correctly. So I'm not going to be talking much on this. Once I've finished this introduction, it is pretty much going to be Chris's music. I may make an odd comment here and there. You may be able to tell I'm a little bit funky today. Started on some new tablets to try and help me sleep. Since I started them, I have had less sleep than, yeah, for less sleep in ages. So I've had 6 hours in the last 3 days and I got absolutely zero sleep last night. So I'm kind of a little bit bit funky. So yeah, I could do this video tomorrow. Do I want to make things easy on myself? No. So I'm doing it today. So as I say, I will briefly make comments, maybe, undecided yet, or I may just do it completely music, make Chris's job that little bit easier. I have got a dog who keeps standing on, or trying to stand on my feet. I'm so short, I'm on my sofa in my living room, and my legs do not reach the ground. That's how short I am. So whenever she's trying to stand on my feet, she's not getting very far very quickly. Right, so I'm going to pause the camera and momentarily and wait for Chris to bring in my palette. He's washing it. He's good. He's a good one. Right, so just to confirm though, before I do, I'll be using a combination of paints. Where's my box? Right, so I have these, which I've really enjoyed using these actually. So I'll be using some of them. In fact, with them ones, Chris has got in our Amazon basket, he's got the actual, that's company brand, the normal acrylic paints, so I'm looking forward to them. And these Shaw and Marsh paints, so they're what I'm using, I think. Oh yeah. And this white. It's not the best white. I may use the titanium white with the ones I've just shown you. But I've got this, so I'm trying to use it up. And the brushes I'm using, this ain't a tutorial. I'm clueless. I'm just doing this. So I'm using a selection of brushes. This is just a small selection. I've got lots of brushes now, varying different types. And one of the last magical brushes that I'm using that I know the name of in both English and American English, and that is this. Cotton buds for us over here, and Q-tips for those across the pond. Right, so I shall pause the camera now and I will be back to start painting. Please enjoy.
Crafty rat with a brush so bold, painting rivers of silver with auroras of gold. New to the scene, but she's got that spark, learning the ropes, making art in the dark, with cinnamon's whispers guiding her hand. She's building a dream, stroke by stroke, strand by strand. Oh, she's the crafty rat, painting worlds so true. A river of colors, an aurora in blue. She's learning the magic, she's finding her hue. With cinnamon's help, she'll shine right through. She'll shine right through. Her canvas is chaos, her palette's a maze, but her heart beats neon in those vibrant displays. Each mistake's a lesson, each swirl's a song. The crafty rat's journey is where she belongs. With cinnamon's laughter, a spark in the night, she's chasing the vision, she's chasing the light. And the waffles too. She's a crafty rat, she's quick and sly. Goblin cave crew reaching for the sky. Lady Lula paints with goblin charm. Step in the highlands, reason hearts so warm. Carrying the dragon fire in her eyes. Gentleman butch with heart that hypnotize. Oh, she's a crafty rat, she's here with you, the Goblin Cave crew. They'll see you through. Oh, she's a crafty rat, you know it's true, creating magic just for you. Annie and Andy, they're wild and free. Jules is hero, the chaos you'll see. Katie and Lisa, they're part of the plan. Spinning wonders with their own hands. Brushes flying, sparks in the air. Goblin made treasures, crafted with care. Every stroke, every twist, a masterpiece. The crafty rat crew will never see. Oh, she's the crafty rat, she's here with you, the Goblin Cave crew. They'll see you through. Oh, she's the crafty rat, you know it's true, creating magic just for you.
Right, so that is this painting complete. Now, I don't if you've paid any attention to it. I did go wrong quite a few times, but I think I've managed to hold on to it okay. And there's my little salt and pepper. That one's salt and that one's pepper. They were Chris and my first rats. Right, so that's basically it for this video. I would really appreciate it if you'd like and comment below. That would mean the world to me. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe. That'd be awesome. It's free and it helps my channel out a lot. Now, linked in the description is the links to the two Art Sherpa videos specifically that I initially looked at to do this. She's so much better at this than me. As I say, I tend to kind of go overboard on my projects, so you know, it is what it is. Also linked are the resin products that I usually use, plus discount codes. There is also a link to my Amazon wishlist and my Buy Me a Coffee. So again, thank you. I really appreciate your support. So thank you for those who've stuck around. And I will catch you for the next video. I'm off to go and wash my hands now. Bye.
In a little shed by the railroad track, she's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream under the glow of a dim kerosene. Glitter jars and colors so stark,